Okay, so my baby girl said she wants koroba hairstyle. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Becky P. Ngozi, and if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, we'll be making this trendy TikTok koroba hairstyle for baby Pearl. And if this is what you're interested in, please stay tuned for the process. We'll be using extension for this, but you can use Brazilian wool if that's what you have available. All right, at this point I want to plead with you to please subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel. Please subscribe to my channel to support me. All right, it's absolutely free. And if you find this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I make my baby's hair every week, so I'll be uploading videos every week. I'm making the hair very big, okay, because my baby don't like staying in one place for a long time, so I'm making it very big because she will get tired very soon. So feel free to make yours your desired size. So because she's a baby, I'm not making it too tight. As you can see, actually it's not about making the hair too tight that will make the hair beautiful. I'm going to be showing you two methods to do this koroba hairstyle, okay, so stay tuned. If there is something that you want to be interested in, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, okay? Please subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Please subscribe to my channel. Firstly, we're going to braid the hair, so let's braid the hair and I will be back to tell you what to do next. Okay. Now I'm done braiding the hair, so we want to trim it. This girl is full of drama. So to add more beauty to it, I'll be adding this colorful rubber band. This is the first method to do this. You are going to tie a knot at the tip. All right, when you tie the knot, then you tie it like 2 to 3 times, then you can start rolling it. All right, just watch how I'm doing it. I'm rolling it now. Then when you get to your desired size, desired length that you want, desired length that you want, then you can bring in your thread. So you will start from the center to the other end. You start from the center, you put your thread from the center to the other end. Oh, I don't know how to say it though, but just watch what I'm doing, okay? You do it from this end to the other end, then from that end to the other end. You do it like 4 or 5 times. Make sure it's very strong, it's very firm and secure. Then you can tie it. Like I said, this is the first method of doing this hairstyle, okay? This first method is very hard for me because as you can see, I'm struggling with the tip. You see, the tip is kind of disturbing me, all right, to be able to do what I'm doing. So this is the first method. I'm going to show you the second method. Just stay tuned. My baby girl is even making it even more difficult for me. She doesn't stay at a place. And I'm trying to be careful with the needle so she don't get hurt, because she doesn't stay one place. She keep moving her head. Yeah. Now we are going to tie it, okay? We are going to tie it. So you put the thread in the middle. You tie it in the middle. You take like a little bit, a small amount, just like I'm doing, like so. Yeah, Okay, so just a reminder, just to remind you to please subscribe if you have not done so. All right, subscribe to my channel, please and please and please. Okay, thank you and God bless you. And if you find this video helpful or interesting, please like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Now, this is the second method, the easiest one for me. You are going to cut out the tip after you tie it, okay? You are going to cut it out before you start rolling. You see how simple it is. The tip is not there to disturb you or obstruct your work, all right? So this one is easiest for me. So just continue watching. We're going to do the same thing as we did the first method anyways, but the difference is that we cut the tip before we start rolling it. In this way, it's not going to disturb you. Why? You see how easy it is for me to sew it, okay? It's not going to disturb you. So yeah, that is it. So you're going to start from the center to the other end, then from that end to the other end. You can do it 4 to 5 times to ensure that it's very strong so it will not lose. So this is me tying it. You see how I'm doing it from the middle. Yeah, you take like just a little of it and then you tie it. Okay, I did it like 3 times and that is it. So you cut it. Okay, you now cut the thread. And we are done, and this is the final look. Yeah, please guys, comment down below, tell me what you think about this video. Like this video and share to family and friends that would be interested in making this beautiful koroba hairstyle for their baby girl. All right, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.